All right, so this is the Excel Module 5 Project A. You need to download all the files. One instruction file, one start file, two support files. So I click download all. It is here. So I'm going to open one by one. This is the support file. Okay. So I'm going to save it. Enable editing. Then pick file, save as. Pick a location. I'm going to save in C drive. Now this is support. All right. So that is the one, and let's see as the other one. Now this is support file as well. And again, this is the I already did that. And I already did one. And now I need to do this one. So this is underscore one. And we use capital. And this is the use question. And so use question. Again, I open the file. And I need to run it in multiple windows. But this is the data file. And again, I'm going to open you should open your instruction file. I'll try also open my instruction file.
Hi, Professor.
Yes.
The voice is not very clear.
I know, but this is I can do nothing about this computer and the audio. Sorry. Please open your instruction file. Sorry for the audio quality. This is the instruction file. You open this Excel file and then save it underscore 2. Underscore 2. Okay.
Sorry, Professor. Why it's 3A the instruction, not 5A?
Oh, you are right. So it should be. Let me see. Thank you for your observation. The instruction should be 5A. Do you have 5A instruction? instruction file. I will re-download. Okay, re-download and show you. Okay, so this is the instruction file. Okay, and then I'm going to collect the other one. So this is the instruction file. And then I'll open the next one. The Excel file. Document file open. Then check it here. Okay. So I'm going to back to the screen. All right, so make sure you have this Excel file open. Okay. So I go to File, Save As. You need to change underscore 1 to 2. Click Save. Questions so far? Okay. Now let's do the project steps. Step 1, create external link. For B4, B7. So first, create external link. Go to data, click data, and then under queries and connections, you have edit link or workbook link. Some PC users, you may have edit link or workbook link, the same thing. Select workbook link or edit link. And then click break all. Break all. Cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to break link? Yes, break link. Okay. So we finished step 1, break link. And now go to manage your information worksheet. Go to manage your information worksheet and click cell C5. Remove hyperlink. So right click your mouse on C5. Remove hyperlink. Remove hyperlink. So I finished step 2. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, I just saw the message. Okay. If you have any questions, type in your question in chat area. Okay. All right. So step 3, in cell D7. So click cell D7. create hyperlink. Right click your mouse, select link, and insert link. Now you have this dialog box. So link the email address to link to email address. See here, select email address, link to select email address. And then type in Washington, MGR. Example. .com. This is link to. And then text to display. Text to display. Use the same thing, okay? Except there is no mail to. Just this one. WASH. WASHING. WASH. Sorry, I missed ING here. Washington, MGR. And then security. Security. Email the statewide manager for Washington. And then click OK button. OK button again. By the way, this project is being recorded, okay? And if you cannot follow my step, you can watch recording later. I finished step 3, step 5, step 4. In cell B9, create hyperlink. Right-click your mouse, link, insert link. And we need to insert this link to a file. So link to select existing file. And the file name support EX195A. Support 195A. It is a Word document, this one here. Support EX195A locations. Link to this file. And then use a text to display. Type in notebook. So this is a text to display. And then screen tip. Click screen tip. View the current list of Naval suits locations. Click OK button. OK button again. So I finished step 4. Step 5. Use the hyperlink in cell B10. B10. Edit this B10 link. So right-click your mouse on B10. Edit hyperlink. Use Naval Suits website as text to display. And then click screen tick. Click OK. OK button again. So this is step 5. Step 6. Step 6. Group 3 worksheets together. So group Idaho, Montana, and Oregon worksheets together. Okay. If you are Mac user, you need to use Command Shift. PC user just use the Shift to select all the 3 worksheets together. Okay. So select first Idaho on the bottom, Idaho worksheet. PC user press and hold down Shift and then select Oregon, Montana, Oregon. Okay. And Mac user, you need to press Command and then Shift to select the 3 together. So I grouped the 3 sheets and change the font size for A1, F1 to 18 point. So select A1, F1, go to Home, font size 18, and then select A2, F2, A2, F2. Apply 20% accent 6 cell style. So style, 20% accent 6, big more list. 20% accent 6 here. 20% accent 6. And then select A6, A10, A6, A10, click bold. And then select B6, F10, B6, F10, and then select accounting number format with 0 decimals. Okay, so decimal is 0. And then change the column weight B to F to 12. So select column B to F, B to F, and then go to format under cell group, format, column weights, type in 12, click OK button. So I finished step 6. Step 7, make sure your 3 worksheet, Idaho, Montana, Oregon, is still grouped. Okay. It's still grouped. And then in cell A6, click cell A6, change the text to work up. So highlight work up. in A6, change to workup. And then click cell A9, change to other reference. Other reference. Do not ungroup worksheets. So I finished step 7, step 8 with either one Montana Oregon worksheet still grouped. Create a formula as follows. Pick cell B10. Pick cell B10. Typing equal sum, opening bracket. Then select B6, B9. Closing bracket. Press enter. Now, quick cell B10. Put your mouse on the bottom right corner until you see file handle. Click and drag to right until E10. Which not right. Give me a second. E10. C. C6. Why they get the same number? I need to redo it. Should be used file handle. So this one should be sum of this number. Yeah. Okay, if you get this, you may want to do, it should be copy down the formula, but I don't know why copy formula does not work. So I just type in individual sum. This one. Yeah, not the number correct. So make sure you get those numbers. All right, so that is, and then ungroup the worksheet. So right click your mouse on either one, ungroup. Ungroup. Okay, I finished step 8. Step 9. Create a copy of Oregon worksheet. Between Oregon. And the consolidated worksheet. So we want to create a copy of Oregon worksheet. Right? So right click your mouse, pick Oregon worksheet, right click your mouse, move or copy. We want to create a copy, so select create a copy. Before, select consolidated cells. We want to put the copy before consolidated cells, and then click OK button. So now I have a copy of Oregon before consolidated cells. Change the worksheet name to Washington. Double click, then type in Washington. And then Go to A2F2, A2F2, change origin to Washington. Clear content B6E9, B6E9, right, select B6E9, right click your mouse. Where is the clear content? Clear content right here. I finished step 9. Step 10. Switch to consolidated cells. This is consolidated cells. And then step A, in cell A6, click cell A6, use a formula. Refer to cell A6 in Washington worksheet. So click cell A6 is equal, and then click Washington. Click cell A6, press enter. Okay. And copy A6 to A7, A9. Next, in cell B6, we need to use 3D reference to add all numbers in cell B6 from Ottawa worksheet to Washington worksheet. Okay, so to do that, click cell in B6, type in equal, sum, opening bracket, and then go to Ottawa worksheet, press and hold down Shift, select Washington worksheet, means you select 4 worksheets together from Ottawa, Montana, Oregon to Washington. And then you click B6 and closing bracket. Okay. Press enter. Before I press enter, for marked users, you directly enter this formula you see here. You directly enter this formula in consolidated worksheet B6. Okay. Press enter key. So you should get this number. This number coming from the sum of 4 worksheets in cell B6. Mark user directly typing this formula here. Okay. All right. And then copy the formula from B6 to B7, B9. Click on B7, B9. Okay. And then copy the formula to B6, B9. B6, B9, and then to E9. Okay. E9. Okay. All right. So I finished step 10. Step 10. Step 11. Create a defined name for rank B6E6. For B6E6, using workup as the rank name. So select B6E6, B6E6, and then go to formula. Define names, and then define name. So the name is workup, that's fine. We want to use work up as the name. Then click OK button. I finished step 11. Step 12. Create a name from the range A7, E9. So select A7, E9 using the values in the left column. So select A7, E9, go to formula. Then under the defined name, select create from selection. Create name in the left column. So the far left column is the name. Click OK button. Okay. So I finished step 12. Step 13. Apply the defined names Q1 cells, Q2 cells, Q3 cells, Q4 cells to the formulas in the range B10, E10, B10, E10 in the consolidated worksheet. Okay, so first select B10, E10, B10, E10, and then go to formula, define names, and click apply names. Now click Q1, unselect those, select Q1 cells, Q2 cells, Q3 cells, Q4 cells. Then click OK button. So I finished step 13. Step 14. Change the defined names to totals 2021 for the range F3, F6, F9, F6, F9. Change the defined name to total 2021. So select F6, F9. Go to formula. Define names. Define name again. And then type in name total underscore 2021. And press OK button. So I finished step 14. Step 15. You want to compare 2021 sales total to the sales total for 2020. Needs to add 2020 data to the consolidated sales worksheet. Open support file, support EX195A 2020 sales Excel file. So open support file. I have to look my support file. So by the way, we are in step 15 now. We are in step 15, open support file. It's their file. 非常是the part ExcelModule5 Winter2025. The double click overview. In other articles. So this is the support file. And now switch back to your file. This is your file. Okay, so this is your file, and this is support file. So go back to your file. And we are going to create external reference. Okay. Click cell G6. Make sure this is your file. Your file. Click cell G6. Type in equal. And then go to support file. This is the support file. And click cell F6. Click cell F6. And then press enter. Okay. And do the same thing for cell G7. Type in equal. And then go to support file. Click cell F7. F7. Press enter. Okay. And then repeat yourself. Go to your file. G8. Type in equal. Then go to support file. Click F8. Press enter. Now go to your file F9 or G9. Press equal. G9 equal. Go to support file. Click F9. Press enter. Okay. All right. So we finished step 15. Step 15. Step 16. Go to G10. Enter the formula. Sum formula. Equal sum. And then select G6, G9. Press enter. Okay. So that is step 16, also our last step. Okay. Questions? I just want to stop recording. Then if you have questions, feel free to ask. Okay. Stop recording.